Okay guys, I'm going to teach you how to format your Google Doc to start your brochure. Your brochure is going to be a trifold, meaning it has 3 panels on the front and the back. Don't forget you can look at my example in the purple binder. To start off though, after you open your Google Doc, you're going to go up to File, and then you're going to come down to Page Setup. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you are on landscape. It's really up to you what you do with your margins. I like to make my margins a little bit smaller, so I changed mine to 0.25, but you may leave them at 0.5 or do whatever you choose. There we go. This just gives me a little more space to work in. All right. Then you're going to go up to Insert, and you're going to insert a table. Now, you want 3 columns, so you're going to go over and you're going to make sure that you have 3 of these blocks highlighted. Go ahead and click on it. This is going to appear at the top of your page. All you need to do at this point is hover over the bottom bar and then pull down. Make sure you pull it all the way down or your piece will look funny. Okay, now you've got your 3 columns from your brochure. If you do not want the lines, we can take care of those at the end. You can highlight it and get rid of the lines at the very end. Some people like the lines, some people don't. That's a personal choice. But this is how you go ahead and start your template for your brochure.